Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the trim to this 63. There is a process, so let's begin. Here we go. I already installed the front windshield. Let me give you a little rundown as to what you needed to do. It's exactly the same thing as the back. If you didn't see that video, go ahead, go check out that video. It's exactly the same thing. First off, before you even install that windshield, you need to install these clips. These clips go right here. There's about 8 clips. I do have tape because that's where I did use pressure to pressure this chrome piece in. So you need to install these little clips first all the way, then you can come back, install your windshield. It is with a rope, so it's the same process as the front. After you have installed that front windshield, the first trim piece that needs to go on is this chrome piece right here. This chrome piece is going to be clamped into those clips that you put. That's where you're going to pressure it. You're going to hit it there, and it's going to be, that's the very first trim that needs to go on. The next trim that needs to go on, let me go to the other side and I'll show you. The next piece is going to be this A-pillar trim, this chrome piece right here. I have installed this drip rail chrome piece also. This is a little tricky to install, guys. Just be aware. It's a little tricky, and I will show you how to install it. But once you start, you got to start from the front. Once you start clipping this in here, which is going to be clipped in real easy. But once you reach about this point right here, this is going to be, let me go this way. This trim is going to be sticking out this way, and that is where you really need to be careful not to bend it. But I'm going to show you on the other side. But right now we're going on the windshield. It's this piece that you're going to need to install. You've got 3 little screws right there that you're going to install it, and that's where it's going to be at. Now let me go to the other side so that I can install it and I can show you. We're on the other side right now. Before you install this chrome piece, this chrome pillar, let's install this drip rail, this chrome drip rail. And you're gonna see how I'm gonna do it. All right, I got the drip rail right here. Now let me show you. There is a little channel right there. You can see it. This one right here. This one right here on the top, that's gonna be hooking to that little channel right there. All right, so you're gonna place it like that. You see how it there's a little channel that's holding it. That's where it's gonna be placed. You place the top first, then you're gonna push it down. This is what I was talking about. You see how this is bent this way? It gets worse. Once you start installing it, this thing is gonna be straight out, and that's where the difficult part comes in. But let me show you how it's done. Right there, as you saw, this part is extremely easy to install. Right here where the curve is, as you can see the way it is, this is a little bit difficult. You're gonna have to go real slow, start pressuring it, then hitting it so that it can go in. It'll eventually line up and go down, but let me show you. What I'm doing, I'm grabbing it from this side, from this end right here. I'm wiggling it in. That's the only way that it's gonna go in. There we go. There we go. Now go slowly, because if you try to pressure it in, you are gonna bend it. There it is. Whew. And there it is, guys. There it is. There it is. Now, like I mentioned, once you reach this area, you need to start wiggling it in, making sure that lip is going around, going on top of that little drip rail. Other than that, you will bend it. All right, now that you have the drip rail on, you can install this A-pillar chrome piece, which it's this one right here. There we go. And it's just with 3 little bolts. There it is. Now, another key point to be aware of, when you put this top trim, make sure it's even on both sides, because this lip right there is gonna overlap this one right there. It's overlapped, so just be aware of that. But there you go. Now we can install the bottom piece, and on the bottom piece, the left hand side needs to go in first, because this side right here has a little buckle like the one in the back that's gonna overlap the left hand side. This is the left hand side, and right there all these grooves are gonna go into that. The right hand side has this little buckle right there that's gonna overlap this one right here. So make sure you put in the left hand side first. Now this one's held in with a couple of brackets. It's these brackets right here. This one's for the corner, the one with the little angle right there, and these go inside this rail right there, like that, all the way. So that's gonna be bolted on to those holes that were on the car. And there it is, guys, right there. This is the one that you need to install first. Then comes the other side. There you go. Brand new screws. Everything is good to go. I'm still gonna paint the screws with Por 15 just to protect it, because the ones that it had, these are new, but the ones that it had, they were shot. They were rusted, and so I don't want that to happen to these. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna apply some Por 15 to all the screws that are in here. These are stainless steel screws, so nothing will happen to them, but just a little bit more protection. So let's go to the other side. I did have to remove the fender so that I can reach this bolt right here. So we're gonna do the same to that fender over there. We're gonna remove it. It's not bolted on, so it's real easy. That way we can reach the other side. And remember, do not install the cowl, because if you install this piece that goes here, you're not going to be able to get to those screws. Those are hidden underneath. So you need to install this chrome piece first, then comes the other piece. Here we go. I installed all the clips. Now remember, that this little buckle is going to be going on top of that one. All right, so let's just install it and finish it. And there it is. You see that little buckle went inside. Now we can start applying some Pour 15 to these little bolts right there before installing the top piece that goes here in the cowl. Here you go. All the bolts have been painted. Actually, I painted it the same color as the body. It's a lot better. So now we can install the top portion of the cowl. Here we go. We have installed this top portion of the cowl area. Came out really nice. This one goes underneath this chrome right here. So that's the reason that you have to do it last. Also because of the bolts. But there you go. Everything is aligned perfectly. So now there's a weather stripping that goes all around this little edge right here. That's what's going to be next. So we're going to be installing that. Also, we're going to be installing, I did install this roof rail. This one goes all the way here. I already installed the gasket, but the roof rail goes all the way down to there. That's where this gasket goes in and covers the window. It's kind of dirty right now, and like I mentioned, I still need to detail it, but that's what's gonna be coming up next. Let me go to the other side so I can show you how it looks without the weather stripping. There you go. This is a roof rail that goes all the way around and goes in there. This is without the weather stripping. I haven't installed it on this side, on the right hand side, but it has to come out exactly like that one. There you go. Also, some of the badges have been applied already. This piece right here for the gas little door thing has been applied. The double antennas have been applied, and this chrome piece. This chrome piece, you saw how I applied it in the previous video. This one's already applied. All I need is this piece right here that goes right there, but I would need to apply this piece first. This one right here needs to be applied first before that one. This one goes on top of this rail right here. So that's the way it is. That's the way it goes. Now you can remove these tapes. You already pressured those in, and that's how you install the chrome back to this 63. It isn't a process. It is in order, so that you can install them correctly. All right, and this is going to be it for this video, guys. It's how to install chrome pieces on this 63. I believe the 64 is the same. It's going to be the same process. The most difficult ones, like I mentioned, it's going to be the drip rail. Everything else falls into place. Just follow those steps and you'll be good. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. I didn't want to leave you without a video. I am going to go to vacation. I am going to go to Colorado. I am going to go to Vegas, and I didn't want to leave you without a video this weekend. So thank you very much, guys. Have a great weekend. Have a great week, and I'll post some videos on my vacation if you guys want to see them. If you do, please leave a comment on the description below that you do want to see some videos as to where I'm at. And I'll be going to a couple of car shows also over there, probably in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So I'll be in New Mexico also. So thank you, and like always, stay safe and God bless.
Deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams, brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every code a lyric, Layers so defined, turn a clunker to a stunner, tattooed in design. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paint my own way. Hard work, every stroke till the shine.